Here's a concern for everybody using a dual head single motor windlass. Remember, when you step on the up button or the down button, that is the only motor shaft that will rotate both drum heads and chain gypsies. So if you're only lifting up the port or the starboard anchor, then you need to put the other port or starboard chain gypsy and rope drum into a neutral or a slip and slide clutch position. If you don't, you'll jam it until eventually you'll experience a failure. Here, I'm doing maintenance on this dual head, and you can see we've got one key. This is a shaft and a shaft key, very much like the propeller underneath your boat. So there's the shaft key, and you can see it looks healthy. The problem we have with this one is this other shaft key has sheared. See this piece here, how small it is? And see where it broke off right there. So what has happened is we've had a failure, and you can see the pieces in my hand right there. We broke this key, and of course we don't have a spare key, so I'm going to have to go over to the propeller shop and ask them to cut me a new key out of square stock. Very simple to do, a hacksaw and a ruler, and then round off the edges, and we'll put it back into the same hole. See how we want to round off the edges right here? That's just so we don't cut ourselves when we put it back together. So if you have any questions about anchoring, servicing windlasses, or just plain old cruising, remember, ask Captain Chris.